In today's video, I am going to teach you how to fade an image in Figma. We'll walk through two clean, reliable ways to create a smooth fade, and along the way I'll share a few tips to keep everything looking professional and easy to edit later. First, open your design and place your image on the canvas so it's ready to work with. Draw a rectangle over the image. Covering the area you want to fade, this can be just a portion near an edge or the full image if you are creating a long, gradual transition. With the rectangle selected, go to the fill section and change it to a linear gradient. Choose black or any color. What matters here is opacity rather than hue. Set one gradient handle to 100% opacity and the other to 0% opacity, so the fill transitions from solid to transparent. Rotate or drag the gradient handles to aim the fade exactly where you need it, top to bottom, side to side, or on a diagonal. In the Layers panel, drag the rectangle behind the image so the image sits above it. Now select both the rectangle and the image, right, fade-click, and choose Use as Mask. Your image will immediately adopt the fade defined by the gradient. To refine it, select the rectangle inside the mask and adjust the gradient handles until the fade length, direction, and softness are just right. Now let's look at a second approach that keeps everything inside a single frame. Create a frame, then in the Fill section, click the image icon and place your image from your computer. With the frame still selected, add another fill by pressing the plus icon. Change this new fill to a linear gradient and pick any color. Set one gradient handle to 0% opacity and the other to 100% opacity so the fade goes from transparent to solid. Drag and rotate the handles to control where the fade starts, where it ends, and how gradual it feels. You'll see the fade apply over the image directly inside the frame. A few quick pointers as you fine fade tune. Use black for a neutral fade. Only the opacity affects how much of the image shows through. If the transition looks too abrupt, space the gradient handles farther apart. If it feels too soft, bring them closer together. Keep an eye on the canvas edges and any overlapping elements so the fade ends precisely where you want it. That's it. Thanks for watching.